Hello everybody and welcome to Donkey Kong Country, blah blah blah, another boss fight. But yeah, another boss fight. And this one's a joke. This one's a damn joke. I hate these boss fights and these games, but yeah. Except for K.O.'s boss fight, the final boss. But yeah, I don't like these bosses, they're bad. But hey, they're easy. So that makes them, that makes them not hard, right? Kind of, right? Right. But yeah, alright. I don't know what's the deal with these boss fights. I don't know why they're working for K. But I don't know. But he's dead. He's dead. Yeah, we did it. We got the bananas back. Gorilla, Gorilla Glacier. Glacier, I don't know. Snow Barrel Blast. Alright. This is where the levels get super hard. That's what she said. But yeah, no joke. These levels are gonna be super hard now. I'm not ready. I'm so scared. I'm gonna poop my pants. I'm so scared. Oh frick. I'm so scared. I'm gonna poop my pants. No frick, that was stupid. Stupid. Alright. Just oh my god, I freaking hate this bee. Alright. And I hate these hawks flying at me too. Okay. Oh frick. Okay. Oh my god, I freaking died. Alright. This game's no joke. Oh frick. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Get out of here. Alright. I hate these birds flying at me. Well, they're vultures, not or whatever I said. I keep forgetting what I say because I'm a freaking idiot. Okay. Woo, 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 I freaking hate this level already. Right. Oh, frick. Frickle pepper. No. Oh. Eddie, why'd you do that? Did he do Kong? Oh my god, I love my jokes. Where? Frick you. Okay. Oh my god, where are we going? Alright. Finally a checkpoint. For my savings. Okay, oh my god, I hate. Alright. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're such a freaking. Okay. Oh my god, I can't even see nothing. Whew. Okay. Where are we going? No, I don't like that. Oh my god, I freaking hate. Where am I going? I can't even see nothing. Whew. Exit. Exit. Yes. Yes. Slip slide ride. Oh, I freaking hate this. I hate this level. I don't like this level. No joke. That's how I say, no joke. Get the frick out of here. Get the frick out of here. Yeah, these ropes just go up and down, and I freaking died of Lucky Cup. What the f... Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Iron Man! Stop! Oh, poor Diddy Kong. Too bad, buddy. Oh my god, I freaking... Stop it. Just stop it. Oh, frick. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Yeah. Give me that Donkey Kong. Give me that Donkey Kong, what he's doing. Wait, where am I going? Get the frick out of here. You can't touch me. Oh my god. Ah! Okay. Ooh. Woo! Okay. Let's go. No, it's Donkey Kong. This is not Mario. What am I talking about? Silly me. I'm not funny. Alright. Frickin' see how this goes then. Diddy Kong. Where's the dollar kid Diddy? Oh my god. Okay. Where's our bananas Diddy? And what the fuck? Oh. I think I swear. That was supposed to be family friendly. Right. Alright. Family friendly, guys. Gotta keep it family friendly. Right. Where? Get the frick out of here, boy. You can't touch me. Oh my god, you're such a... Yes! Okay. Oh my god, no. What the hell, dude? Who cares? Let's just go. This game... I'll never rage quit, guys. Gotta keep it family friendly. Oh, what the Wow, that's embarrassing. That's super embarrassing, y'all. Oh my god. Alright, how should I do this? Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay, where am I going? Where am I going? Alright. Oh my god. Ice cave chant. Oof. Woofia I go. I frick. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. I'm back to where I was. Okay. Okay. Give me the freaking exit. Where's the exit? Where's the exit? Come on. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Oh my god, no. No. You stupid. Don't you freaking... Oh my god. Just go. And this is hard to control though. Oh my god, I freaking hate you so much. Yes, get me the frick out of here. Oh, Ice Age Alley. Oh my god, it's one of these. Okay. Let's hope we don't die. Oh, I love this game. I love this game so much. I love this game. Oh, okay. What the... Ooh. Oh, hot doggy dog. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate this. Okay. Oh, frick. What the frick are you doing, boy? Boy. I nearly dodged him, mate. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, little boy. You can do this. I'm done with this game. I keep dying. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Oh, I freaking hate. This is what I'm talking about. These enemies come out of nowhere and I freaking. Man, this game's hard as balls, man. I can't take it no more. No more. More money. Oh my god, why do I freak? Oh my god, this game. This game's gonna. This game's gonna. This game's gonna be mad already. Frick you. Die. Alright. Oh, frick. Okay. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, yes. Yes. That's just. Alright, who's here? Right. Okay, Diddy, you're on my back. I freaking hate you. Shut up. Okay. Oh my god. Kidding me, okay. Ooh. Please. No bad guys. Oh, okay, finally. Oh my god, that level was stressful. And another level. Just what I needed. Octopus chase. Oh my god, it's another water level. I can already tell this is gonna be stressful. I already know it. These things can chase you and whatnot, and I just freaking hate it. Right. Oh my god, I hate octopus. I'm already talking about I hate this already, man. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm freaking. Oh my god, this. This always gonna stress me out. I freaking know it, man. Like, I don't mind games getting hard, but this game's already hard already. Oh my god, it's so hard! Man, I'm so dirty. Okay, just stop it. Oh my god, we're gonna save that DK barrel. Okay, just keep going. Just keep going. Oh my god, okay. Okay. That's that's good. Alright. Can this game at least give me a checkpoint? Oh my god, no. No. Oh my god. Freak you. Get away from me. Oh. Oh, finally. Freaking finally. Okay. Alright. Oh my god. Come on. Alright. Where the freak is the exit? Where the hell is his exit? Oh my god. I freaking hate this. Oh my god. Alright. Where's the exit? I need this over with. I need to get this over with. Wow, man, no exit. That's just fine. No, that's fine. Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I can handle it. Don't tell me we're all the way back here. Are we all the way back here? Oh, okay. Just freaking go. Just go. Where is the damn exit? Water levels in this game are free. Oh my god. We're not even there? Are you kidding me, dude? Oh, frick, no. No. You. Oh my god, you're such a freaking wuss. You stupid. Oh my freaking god, I'm so out of this game, man. I'm so out of this game, man. Freaking. Ugh. Oh my god, I freaking hate. This game. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Oh my god, okay, just go. Just freaking go. I don't. Oh my god, just. Oh. Oh. Please be over with. I don't want to deal with this. Please, I like you. Oh my god, that was so stressful. Just go. Come on over here. A leap of faith is all what it takes. I don't care, man. I might have to save at this point. Well, I gotta take a break off this game, man. This game. But yeah, okay. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah. Well, I need to take a break off this game. This is stressing me out. I keep dying. I keep accidentally dying. But I'll see you on the next one. See ya. Never.